Hey, Paula. We are at your place.
All right.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hello. You're welcome. Hi.
John. Hi. Hi.
You guys are amazing. Yuujou, I love you guys.
So we made it to Japan. La la la. Like, Japan looks like a different reality or something. I don't know. So I made some Japanese friends here. Hello, hello, hello. And we're gonna dance locking now with this guy here. I didn't dance really well, but I mean, it was cool.
Thank you, thank you. Yuujou.
So last night we got to meet our host.
My name is Keitaro Fuji. I'm 54 years old. And I'm living in Kurashiki.
What are we eating?
What are we eating?
Squid and fermented soybeans.
Oh la la.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la.
It's good.
Yes, ooh la la. And he took us out the city and we walked around and it was super fun. It was really, really great, and he's such a loving guy. And
So you went to school together?
Yeah.
Yes?
Elementary school and junior high school.
Thank you very much. So we are in Nara. Nara is like 1 hour from Osaka. I love to be in Japan. I'm very excited that we'll meet up with Team East so soon.
We arrived in Tokyo today, so that was really cool. Just actually making it to Japan is kind of insane.
So we are about to get off the train at Tokyo Station, and some very special people are waiting outside. My parents are here, and it's gonna be so great to have some family and be a part of the Yuujou journey for a little bit.
My other children, they're all safe. I'm gonna hug them too.
It's been 100 days since I've seen them, so, and I'm definitely a mama's boy, so. So after that, we headed off, got our train tickets and headed off to Chino.
We finally got to Chino, 1 hour and a half from Tokyo, so we're gonna meet up with Jess, and he's our host here. We're in the cab for half an hour, just going up the hill. And Jess was waiting for us already outside of the hotel.
Okay, my real name is not Jess. That's my nickname. And my real name is very long, given to me by my grandmother, which, let's say, is not a millennial name. They call me Jesus Maria Delfin Renato. Jesus Maria is my first name. I was confused before also. I am now 52 years old. I was born in Manila.
He called this place Jurassic Park of Japan. He's such a fun guy and funny too, you know, like he makes jokes all the time. What is this smell? It smells so good. Like lavender everywhere, I don't know. No.
Maybe that's me.
Could be you.
He's a jokester.
No, I don't know. Maybe the trees are...
He's an awesome artist. I can feel he plays with his soul, you know?
We are here with Jess and his friend Marchan. Yeah. Say hello. Woo. Yeah, and so they've known each other since Jess has been playing piano here at this hotel. He's a frequent visitor and they've become friends through his time there.
Come on, let's go.
We made it all the way to Japan, but we really wanted to find a host in Tokyo. I think it was Paula was like, what about Marchan? Like, what about the guy we met earlier? And he was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll go ask him. And so I went with Jess and we asked him if like he knew anybody in Tokyo or anything. And he was like, I live in Tokyo. Sure, I can be your host.
Yuujou.
Yes.
Kanji, Japanese
Japanese writing.
Yuujou.
Japanese writing.
俺のそうです。Renata.
Like just being in Japan is so cool because we've been waiting to get here for so long, and just that actually like we did it. Like just that we did it is crazy, but I think we met just incredible people along the way that helped us make this possible. Just that our team also, me, Renata, and Paula have gotten so close, and I love them to death. And like we spent our last night like together, sleeping on a Japanese floor, and like it was just so much fun, and just like it was like a little slumber party. So that was really cool. I'm in the bathroom. What the heck? It's so fancy. There's so many buttons.
How excited!
So slow, guys. Check it out. So we are in Tokyo. Yes, we made it. It's happening. We are in Japan. Team East is in Japan too. Like they are in another town like 2 hours away from here. Waiting for Team East. We are gonna be reunited, and we're gonna be, after all, Team Yuujou, not Team East, Team West.
We've just arrived in Tokyo. So freaking excited. There's so much going on right now. Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah. Someone's gonna be happy. 100 days to see them again. Feels so weird. Feels so weird.
Was everybody in on it?
You made it, Renata. Bravo.
That was awesome. We had such a fun night. Our first night all together.
Cool, big hug go around, and yeah, it was super exciting to meet them.
All the struggles from the journey are kind of in the past, and now we're just 6 people that did this incredible thing.
For me, the highlight was all of us hanging out together and being very happy about it.
What's up, guys? So we are with our last host here.
Yes!
The last 100 days in Tokyo.
So we connected the world until Tokyo.
We had this idea for so long and we had this dream for so long, and that now they really arrived in Tokyo and we did it, and both team arrived and we both arrived here, and this is, I still cannot believe it. It feels so unreal.
Amazing. Beautiful.
And for you feeling like home.
Yeah, all right.
No, it's okay.
Konnichiwa! Finally guys, we made it to Japan and our journey was absolutely fantastic. If you want to see more, click here or here.